What is going on YouTube? We're out here in Northwest Las Vegas today. We're checking out some new builds. Today we're going to take a look at the Rocco. It is built by Richmond American Homes. It starts at $598,950. It is a single-story ranch-style home, 3,470 square feet. You can just select your lot, so the lot size will be dependent on what you choose. You're going to find 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 1.5 bath, 3-bay garage. There's going to be pavers. That's all included. The landscaping is included. One thing you're going to notice about these new builds is there's a lot of options that they already include, but there's also a lot of options that you're going to see that are not included. The way they decorate the home is fantastic, and it's so much fun going to look at these new builds. If you're ever interested in coming out and checking these out with me, just let me know. I'd be happy to set up a private viewing with you, and we can go take a look, learn a little bit more about them. As we come up into the home, we're coming into the entryway. This is a nice private area. You can actually put up your own little gate there if you wanted. Coming onto the front door, let's go ahead and go on inside. I am trying something a little new today. I did have to film this with my mask on, so I'm actually doing a voiceover today, so it's a little bit different, so just bear with me. Hopefully it turns out well. Let's go on in. As you come in, you're walking straight into the great room. Right to the left is the dining room. I love that chandelier that they put in. It's so unique. Panning around to the kitchen, then to the living room. This model does have the fireplace built in with the tile. Ceramic tile on the floor in this one. That is optional. You get to choose that at the home studio. A lot of the wallpaper and things like that on the walls are chosen at the design studio. There's some built-in cabinetry there. Interesting tile in the dining room. Checking out this kitchen. This is definitely a professional kitchen. That built-in refrigerator is gigantic. 42-inch uppers are included. These are upgraded cabinetry in here. Large island. Granite's included. It's double oven, microwave. I really love the top of these uppers. I love that glass with the light in there to show off some decoration. It really adds a nice level of class to the home. GE monogram in this one. Take a look at this backsplash. It's almost kind of like subway tiles, but it's not. It almost looks textured as well, but it's not really textured. It's actually quite smooth. I really like the depth of complexity that it gives to the kitchen, especially the way it plays with the cabinetry. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Tell me in the comments below what you think. Would you style your kitchen this way? Very large yard on this particular lot. It's going to vary from lot to lot. We're actually going to go take a peek at the pantry now. There's a little bit of built-in storage to the right here first, though. Kind of a butler walk-in style pantry. Very, very cool. I love the way they do the built-ins in here. The wire storage bins that you use too are super practical, very easy to use, makes it nice and easy access for everything. Come out of the pantry, you'll see some little bit more storage built in on the right. They have those same uppers as they do in the kitchen right here as well. Walking back over into the great room. As you can see, that fireplace with the tile on the wall, built all the way up. Flat screen TV mounts. Going over to the master suite now. Large master suite. Looks over into the backyard. I really love the tray style ceilings in here with that paneling, and then there's surround sound in there as well. It's fantastic. Moving over into the master bathroom, you'll see the spa style shower on the left and then double vanities on the right. You get to choose your countertops. Again, most of the stuff is going to be optional at the design studio. You have all the options in the world. Richmond is giving very good incentives right now too, so definitely give me a call and find out what those are. There's the first of 2 walk-in closets. This is the smaller of the 2. It's amazing with that lighting in there. But check out the shower, guys. I really want to do this in my home. With that rain up above, oh my gosh. Standard, the home comes with a separate shower tub combination. What do you guys think? Do you like the shower bath combo? Would you prefer just a shower or maybe just a bath? Let me know in the comments below. Here's the second walk-in closet. It's much larger. Same style though. A lot of lighting, organization. This is another thing I really like, how the laundry room connects directly to the master. It makes it so much easier to put your clothes away. Optional structured wiring, have your LAN built in through the house. Very interesting picture they put up there, I like it. It has nice depth. Some more built-ins. There's one of the first bedrooms. Tell me what you think about the chandeliers in the bedrooms. I've always done ceiling fans in my bedrooms for comfort, but I think the chandeliers are an interesting idea too. If you style it right, I think it's a really great concept. What do you think? It's nice that this bedroom has its own bathroom as well. Head back this way to another bathroom, 2 more bedrooms. These are pretty good sized bedrooms too. I would guess they're about 11 or 12 feet. The molding they have in this model is upgraded. Keep that in mind as well. It comes standard with 3-inch molding. Walking back towards the front of the house again, we're going to take another quick peek in the laundry room. Right off the entrance at this point, wraps back around. I like that the circular design of homes. It makes it super easy to get through. This backsplash that they put in here, right off the entry, is very interesting. It has a really nice texture to it, and the reflective gives a really nice depth and makes the room feel a lot bigger. There's an office they put in. This is a really nice feature. A lot of people are really looking for offices nowadays, especially with all the COVID stuff going on and a lot of people working from home. It's a really nice feature to have. There's a half bath for when you're entertaining or if you just need to take a quick break. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this tour. As we wrap around into the great room again, let me know if you have any questions. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm always happy to help out. If you're from outside of Vegas, I would love the opportunity to help you and your family find the perfect home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. My phone number is area code 702-582-9669. My email is MichaelDJ at BHHSNV.com. And my website is www.mjalltheway.com. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider smashing that like button. If you want to see more content like this, simply subscribe. Make sure that bell icon is lit up so you're notified of my latest tours and content. See you on the next one. Later.